Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best North American Bird Book is probably one of the most essential tools for any bird enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned ornithologist or a beginner, a good bird book can significantly enhance your birding experience. It helps you identify different species, learn about their habitats, and understand their behaviors. In this video, we'll dive into what makes a great bird book and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. National Geographic Birds of North America, 7th edition. Are you fascinated by birds? This guide is your key to unlocking their secrets. It's packed with detailed information to help you identify and learn about them. This edition is a comprehensive field guide. It features stunning photographs and detailed descriptions of various bird species. It's an essential tool for bird enthusiasts. Easily identify birds with the help of this guide. It includes range maps, habitat information, and tips for distinguishing between similar species. You will find it very helpful. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced birder, this guide is perfect for you. It's a valuable resource for anyone interested in the birds of North America. It's a must-have. Trust in the quality of National Geographic. This guide offers accurate and up-to-date information. It's a reliable companion for your birdwatching adventures. What we like. This guide offers extensive coverage of North American birds, making it perfect for serious birders. It features detailed illustrations and range maps, helping you identify birds accurately. If you are looking for a comprehensive guide for all your birding adventures, this is the one for you. What people say. I find the pictures in this particular guide very helpful and for the most part extremely accurate. This edition includes every North American species, 967 in all. The illustrations are incredibly well done and include multiple stages of life, molt, etc. for each bird. Number 4. National Geographic Backyard Birds of North America, 2nd edition. This guide is your key to unlocking the secrets of the birds right outside your door. It's packed with information to help you identify and learn about these fascinating creatures. Inside, you'll find detailed descriptions and stunning photographs. It makes identifying different bird species simple and enjoyable. From the common to the rare, this book covers a wide range of North American birds. You'll discover their habitats, behaviors, and more. Whether you're a seasoned birdwatcher or just starting out, this guide is perfect for everyone. It's designed to be accessible and engaging for all ages. Get ready to transform your backyard into a birding paradise. This guide provides all the tools you need to connect with the natural world around you. What we like. This guide is specifically designed for backyard bird enthusiasts. It provides a user-friendly format with tips on attracting birds to your home. If you have a bird feeder or enjoy watching birds from your window, it's an excellent choice. What people say. So easy to look up birds by name or appearance. The information contained is just enough to learn a bit about each bird, without overwhelming you. The book is easy to read and understand. I have a feeder and suet, and whenever we see a new species I go to the book to see what species it is. There are pictures of the birds, a map indicating where they like to live, and about their food, nesting, plumage, and their voices. The index is helpful. I can zero in on the birds I want to research. Number 3. Stokes Field Guide to the Birds of North America. Are you fascinated by the diverse bird life of North America? This guide is your perfect companion. It helps you identify various species with ease. Inside, you'll find detailed illustrations. These visuals make it simple to distinguish between different birds, helping you become a better birdwatcher. The guide provides clear and concise information. It simplifies the process of identifying birds, making it accessible for all skill levels. This field guide covers a wide range of species. It's an essential resource for anyone interested in birds, from beginners to experienced birders. With this guide, you can explore the fascinating world of birds. It's a great tool for learning more about these amazing creatures and their habitats. What we like. This guide uses photographs for easy identification. It's clearly organized and emphasizes bird behavior, providing insights into their habits. If you like to understand how birds behave, this guide will be your best companion. What people say. The book has beautiful pictures. The book is well organized. The book is a great reference for bird identification. Number 2. Bird Watching Adventures, Field Notes for Beginners. Are you interested in bird watching? This book is perfect for beginners. It provides field notes on 150 species to kickstart your birding adventures. Inside, you'll find detailed notes on 150 different bird species found in North America. It's a great resource to help you identify and learn about these amazing creatures. This book is designed to get you started on your birding journey. It's filled with helpful information and tips to make your experience enjoyable. If you're new to bird watching, this guide is a must-have. It simplifies the process and makes it easy to understand the basics. With this book, you can explore the world of birds and learn about their habitats and behaviors. It's a fantastic way to connect with nature. What we like. This book is tailored for beginners, introducing you to the world of birding. It focuses on 150 species and includes field notes to help you get started. If you are new to bird watching, this is a great starting point. What people say. Brightly colored illustrations. Easy to use. Awesome beginner bird book. All kinds of suggestions and information about your favorite birds. Also bought another for a gift. Very helpful information. Number 1. AMNH Birds of North America, DK North American Bird Guides. This comprehensive guide from AMNH and DK is your perfect companion for birdwatching. It features detailed descriptions and stunning illustrations to help you identify various species. Inside, you'll find in-depth information on each bird species. The guide covers everything from their habitats to their unique behaviors, making it easy to learn about these fascinating creatures. The book is filled with beautiful photographs and illustrations. These visuals make it easier to identify birds in the field and appreciate their beauty. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced birder, this guide is a valuable resource. It's a great way to expand your knowledge and enjoy the wonders of North American birds. With this guide, you can explore the diverse world of North American birds. It's an essential tool for anyone interested in ornithology or simply enjoying nature. What we like. This guide uses stunning photography for easy visual identification. It organizes birds by family, making it easier to learn about related species. If you like beautiful photography and a structured approach, you should consider this. What people say. Gorgeous pictures and many interesting facts for any bird lover. Every bird gets their own page as well with detailed images, and each with an image of them in flight. Excellent photos and images to find differences in between birds. Full list of all American birds, easy to understand and to find information. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.